Hi, my name is Anisha. I am that neat freak, and you are watching Leak TV. From a kid, I always knew that I could not work for nobody. I always got fired from every job that I had in my whole life. When I was about 15, my mom asked me what I wanted to do with my life. Like, what do you want to do with your life? And I was like, I don't know. I just know I don't want to wear big boots like you and a smock and have to clock in and be told what to do. I didn't want to have to wake up when somebody wanted me to, when I had to be there. I didn't want to live somebody else's dream, work for somebody else and work out their dream. I always knew that I wanted to be my own dream. Whatever it was I wanted to do, I wanted to live it by myself. I have over 40 different units in my store. When I first started, I had 1. My first wigathon, I had 6. My second wigathon, I had 30. The fourth wigathon will probably have about 50 to 55 units in the store. So yeah, nothing in my store is over $450, and that's for a 40-inch unit. So nobody can beat that price at all. Monday through Friday, you can walk in, pick out a unit, and get it installed right then and there. I don't think nobody can experience that here. Has that experience. You can't go anywhere and pick out a wig and get it installed. I don't think you can you? I don't think so. Okay, so is that an experience? That's an experience, right? So you can come in ugly and leave out looking good. Wigs have evolved so much in this generation. It creates an illusion of where you can be anybody that you want to be. You can literally be 7 different people 7 days a week, and it's an illusion to make it look realistic. It's a hair illusion. The wigathon is when it's the biggest sale of the year for our store. It's literally the biggest sale. We have units in here that range from like $80 to nothing then is over $300 in our store. So even our 40 inches dropped all the way down to like $299. The wigathon we do on-site installs every single year, where I take over 20 people and I take over 20 installs that day. We have a makeup artist. We drink. Everybody love a good mimosa. It's food. It's like a party. It's a wig party where you come in, you try on the wigs, you pick out a wig that you want. If you've never had a wig, you get an experience to try on any wig that's an illusion, that looks like your hair. You can try on any unit in the store. It's like a wig party. It's a big old wig party that I have once a year, and it's a big sale. And you come in and you just have fun and try on wigs. It's a wig party. Wig maintenance is so important, especially for people that have never had a wig. My advice is to please don't go to people that do not know what they're doing. Don't go to, unless it's your friend and you don't care if she messed up your wig, don't go to anybody. All wigs need something done to them. All the wigs need the bleaching the knots is critical. All the wigs in the store are pre-plucked, but some wigs do need a little more plucking. That is critical. All closures, I don't care where you get your closure from, all closures need to be plucked, period. All of them. All of them. From ear to ear, the circumference in a closure is just like, it's the same amount of hair that's in an ear to ear. So bulkiness, you're gonna get. Washing is, you cannot wear a wig for 3 and 4 weeks and expect for it to be silked the whole 3 to 4 weeks, and you've been on a bike and outside and running and playing. You're supposed to wash your hair, like wash your units like you wash your hair. So if you don't take care of your hair, I don't expect you to take care of you, and I expect you to blame the unit on me. if you don't know how to take care of if you don't take care of your hair. Washing your units, doing your units like this, when you wash them, that is horrible. You're roughing up the cuticle. It's just like roughing up the cuticle in your own hair. Like, it's caring for your hair. Caring for a wig is just like caring for your own hair. It's so critical. Like, it's so tedious. Like, you have to be careful. You can't just take it off and throw it. You can't wear it for a month and not wash it. You can't wear it for 2 weeks and not wash it. Like, the rule is when you go to hair school, you're supposed to wash your hair at least 1 to 2 weeks. Every 1 to 2 weeks, you're supposed to wash your own hair, or it's gonna stink and it's gonna get producty and it's gonna get matty looking. It's just like wig. It's just like hair. It's not your hair. So it's even worse because it's not your hair. Washing is a big thing. What you're washing it with is a big thing. Like, alcohol, if it burns your face, it makes your face dry, it's gonna make your wig dry. So you have to watch what you wash your units with. Now in the store, if you are a first-time buyer or you don't have our shampoo, it comes with it. You can't purchase the unit without purchasing the shampoo here at the store. We've had like people that use different products on the units, and it's messed the units up because it's the product. It's so much damaging ingredients in products that can damage your regular hair and wigs. So we just sell the products that we use in the store. Now you can't purchase a unit without purchasing the shampoo if you don't already have the shampoo. If you're a first-time buyer, you have to get the shampoo. It's not nothing to talk about. So caring for your wigs, that's really a major key. Your wig will last you as long. It will take care of you as long as you take care of it. Your mind, your tongue is everything. So if you really feel like you got stripped of everything and you won't get out of that dump and you keep telling yourself you don't have nothing, you'll stay at you don't have anything. Your what you say is what you live. Like, everything you speak is your life. Like, your thoughts are your thoughts are your life. Like, your thoughts are literally your life. So if that's how you think, then that's where you'll stay. When you change your thoughts, you'll change your life. If you want to get in touch with me, that NeatFreakk Wig hair store is at 2008 East 46th Street, South Broad Ripple. The website is NeatFreakk with 2Ks.com, www.neatfreakk.com. Instagram is that NeatFreakk Girl, that NeatFreakk with 2Ks Girl, and Facebook is that NeatFreakk.